Jesus. Sorry, no vex. I beg, at the file number 25, Abamu Street.
Okay, just go like this.
Okay.
If you come, you see the next street.
Okay.
After that street, you will turn by your left.
Okay.
By your right.
Oh, right.
That's street.
Sorry, you said by the right or left?
Right.
Oh, right. Oh, God bless you. God bless you very well.
Thank you.
As you are fine, no? Sorry, God bless you. God bless you, best sister. Sorry. I beg, I still make I ask. Share the house gate.
Yes, now.
Oh, what will be the color?
Black.
Oh, black. Color black. Okay. The roof farm?
No, they no roof farm. Which kind of question be that one? Why they no go roof farm?
Oh, the roof farm. Which color be the zinc?
Black.
Oh, black. Black is beauty. Thank you. God bless you. I know. Yeah. Mommy. You never look like that. I want to ask you the street. I the phone number 25 Abamu Street. I beg no vex.
Nonsense. My son, I'm going to go up and down.
Okay, you not catch me before. No, but I know they're not catching me now. Okay, sorry.